This is everything that comes in the Omnipod pack. The empty pod, and I just screwed the needle onto the syringe. Now you have to fill the syringe with the insulin, and you have to go all the way to the last line at 200. Okay, so max units. Okay, as you can see, the needle has been filled to the 200 line. You want to make sure there's no bubbles at the top. If there are bubbles, you can flick it and push a little bit out and then fill it back again, but you got to go to the 200 line. Now you have to have the phone right here and the new pod. So you hit set up and start new pod, and now you have to fill this one. You stick the needle in here, okay, and you're gonna know you're in there because it's gonna feel hard, like if you don't hit the place, but you gotta hit the needle there. Then you're gonna push in. You're gonna hear 2 beeps. Okay, that lets you know it's receiving the insulin. And you fill that all the way up. Okay, once you fill that up, take your needle out, and you're gonna hit next on the phone. I typically sit it on top of the phone because it's gonna communicate with it. This is how it's turning it on. So you just need to make sure the phone stays lit up during this process. Hit next. Just communicating with the pod. Making some clicking sounds.
Yelling superstar. Where you going, Mom?
All right, so that's done. Now you're gonna take this plastic piece off. Hold the phone for me, anyway.
Okay.
But this phone, I'm recording for
Okay,
you.
okay.
Okay, so you peel this piece off and pop this off. It comes off like that, and then you peel the back of the sticker. Okay, so now the pod is ready to be applied. Give me your arms. Okay, now I've already cleaned the area. Pull your shirt up a little bit. I'm gonna go closer to the back. Okay, and then you're gonna apply it to the arm. Rub it down. Turn.
So make sure it's not on the same area.
It's not, baby. It's over here.
But I could feel
Okay,
it. That's
so
why I'm
now
making sure.
you push on the pod. You kind of grab the skin around it, but you push on the pod, and then on his phone, you're gonna hit. Is it in place? Yes. And you can hear the click. That lets you know that it's been released. You can check. If you look close, there's a little pink inside, and then you should be able to see the cannula in here as well, so that you know it's been put in. Okay, then it asks you if it's on properly. You hit yes. We're gonna switch to automated mode, yes, because this means it's gonna automatically give him the insulin. And then we wait for it to connect to the sensor, which could take up to 25 minutes. All right, that's the process. If you have any questions, please give me a call. Thank you.